In this video tutorial you will learn how to view entries of the event recorder. Event recorder serves for registration of the IED signals changes while recording the event date and time with up to 1 millisecond accuracy. Check out the video tutorial Binary Inputs, Outputs, Logical Signals and Indication to know how to configure the signals to be registered. The events are recorded into a non-volatile memory that stores information when the device is de-energized. The event recorder memory can save up to 7,500 entries. When the memory is full, old events are replaced by new ones. Let's move to the section Instruments, Event Recorder in the Smart Monitor software to start working with the event recorder. Recorder entries are displayed in this section. Every event has a sequential number in the list, date and time of registration, name, state, and group of the event. On state means activated, off, deactivated. When connected to the IED, Smart Monitor regularly updates the event list. Press the corresponding button on the toolbar to update the list and view the latest events. Recorder entries are displayed from new to old by default. Press the relevant column to change the order of displaying. Use filters if you need to view events for a certain period. Use the Groups filter to display events belonging to a certain group. There are 11 groups in total. Function Processor Service Signals, IED Fast Logic Signals, Binary Inputs, Enable-Disable states of measuring elements and functions, Binary Outputs and LEDs, Communication Processor Service Signals, Calculated Values, Incoming Goose Signals, IED Slow Logic Single-Bit and Double-Bit Signals, Incoming Goose Diagnostic Signals. Display all event groups by ticking the appropriate box. The displayed records can be filtered through the search field, Filter by Name. Type a part of the event name, for example, Working. Events with this word in the name will be displayed in the main field. By default, events in the Smart Monitor software are displayed by hundreds. Press Next 100 to upload the next 100 events. Change the number of uploaded events by selecting Next N and setting the needed value. Press the corresponding button to display all events. Entries displayed in the event recorder window can be downloaded to PC in Excel or HTML format. To do so, select the necessary file format from the drop-down list and specify the file save path. Events will be saved in the file according to the set filters. In Smart Monitor, you can view event recorder entries in the form of a diagram. Select the corresponding item of the view parameter. Event names are shown on the vertical line. Date and time of event recording are on the horizontal line. Events in the active state, recorded for a definite period of time, are blue. Recorder entries can be shown both as a table and as a diagram. Select the current values. Event recorder in the menu on the IED display to work with the event recorder. This menu will display only those signals which have the Show on Display parameter configured in the event recorder section. Every event has its sequential number, name, time and date of event recording. View events in the list by pressing up and down arrows. Plus in the signal status means that the signal became active. Absence of any sign means that it is deactivated. This video tutorial is over. We hope it was useful to you. Thank you for attention.